Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans, and we're going to be doing a cash stuffing today. I'm going to be cash stuffing my 52 envelope savings challenge box and be stuffing some sinking funds, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's do a quick cash count and then we'll get this money set up. We're stuffing $466 today, and I did do a cash planning video that just kind of outlined what we're going to be doing today. All right, so let's give this a real quick cash count. We've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. I'm just going to put that to the side here. 300, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Let me start that again. 400, 10, 20, 30, 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 466. So let me get this set up real quick and I'll bring you guys back. All right, so now we're set up. We're gonna do our 52 envelope savings challenge box first. Let me get the envelopes out real quick. And we are doing 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So let me get those going. So we'll do 27 first. So that's going to get 20, 5, and 2 ones. And I'm just really doing the exact dollars amounts because I'm shooting for about $1,000. We're doing this challenge for Christmas. I made this challenge myself. It did take me a while to do it, but I bought a little pack of 6x6 cardstock and just cut the sheets in half. It was like a little packet of them, like little scrapbooks in the scrapbook section, and so I just cut them in half. So we're doing 28. Cut them in half. I folded them in half and then laminated them and then cut them open. Cut them, down to size. And then I had to use my silhouette, which is kind of like a Cricut, to design and cut the numbers. And I weed the numbers out, weed the vinyl to have the numbers. And then put them on the envelopes. So that is 29. Yeah, so I did that. It did take me a couple of days to actually do it because I did do a whole 100 envelopes, but I'm only doing 52 this time because I am trying to get like $1,000 for Christmas, and this 52 envelope challenge should get me there. So that is 29. And that little cardstock packet came with a bunch of different prints. So all the prints you see here was from the same was from the same packet. I didn't buy like multiple. It was the same. It just had so many different designs. So it's going to be 30. And then I just cut the numbers out of silver permanent vinyl that I just had here left over from another project. So I didn't actually buy the vinyl. I already had it. And yeah, that's how I did that. And then I bought the little box, the little, I think it's for postcards, 4x6, I believe, at Walmart. And it was a couple dollars. And so I put it in there because once you stuff money in here, the envelopes get a little tall. And so it's not, you need a little bit more room at the top. So we've got 31, 30, 29, 28, and 27. So that's $145 that we're stuffing today for Christmas. Yay! I feel like I haven't stuffed this in forever. So I'm just going to be adding them to the back here. The last number was 26. I did add, see, these are the other envelopes, the rest of the 100 envelope challenge. So that's 100. I just stuffed some stuffing in here, and I put this here to know that this is where we end. So we have quite a few envelopes left, but I love the prints. And this was honestly so easy to make because you could handwrite it with permanent marker if you wanted to on here, or dry erase. It's just literally a paper folded in half. So you can feel the paper on the inside. And then I just cut it here, trim these down a little bit so that everything is the same size. And it was honestly really easy to make. And then, like I said, I just bought this little tub. I think the brand is Max Gear. And I bought this little tub at Walmart. So that's, oh, Pen and Gear. Here it is right here. Let's see if it'll focus. Let me see. Not focusing. Not focusing, but it's Pen and Gear. It says, yeah, from Walmart. So that's going to be our savings challenge for Christmas. The next thing we're going to do is stuff our high priority sinking funds. And that's going to be this binder right here. And let's see, the first thing we're going to stuff, I believe, is our trash bill. So this is high priority. We're going to stuff our trash bill. We're doing $46. And I'll update my trackers offline. So 20, 40, let's see, 45, 46. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38. $138. We have enough to pay our trash bill for the next quarter. So I'll be depositing this into the bank later on this month to go ahead and make that payment for July 1st. So our car registration is next. We're going to be depositing $11. And that is a 10 and a 1 because we're playing catch up. So I have 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. It's $40. We're saving up about $100 through December because it's due in December. AAA, that is getting $40 today, and we need to save this by pretty much by like August. So we need to have $213. We are saving $40 today. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 130, 131, 132. So we have 132. Next thing we're saving for is our Amazon Prime renewal, and this is going to be for, We need to save it by the month of August, so we kind of have like 2 months. So we're saving 21 this time. We're going to save 21 this month, 21 next month, and that should get us there. So we're going to be doing a 20 and a 1. So now we should have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 100, 15, 110, 115, 20, 25, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. So 129. And y'all, these envelopes I got on Amazon, they're like clear, they're like white plastic PVC. I needed something that didn't glare on screen, so I got these, and then I just made these, created these with my silhouette and cut out of vinyl, so it's permanent vinyl, but it really comes off really easy. And then I just made it here so that I can look at it this way instead of this way. So it really wasn't much work at all. And then I just found the little sheet trackers, the sinking fund trackers, budget sheet trackers. I found those also on Amazon. So it was like I think it was like 50 for like $5 or something like that. So it was really inexpensive. You don't go through them as fast. The next one we're saving is Canva Pro, and that is $11. So we're saving a 10 and a 1. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, 106, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110. And I think we need 11 more, and then we should have enough for this. And this one's also due in August. I have a lot of subscriptions due in August. So this one is fully funded. So this is my Google One subscription for my Google Drive storage that I use for everything that I do. So that one has $32. We're just going to skip that one. So Sam's I just renewed in May. So we're just saving $4, which I think is our first savings, because we paid it last month. So this month we're saving $4. And this is going to be for another year. So we're starting over on that one. Capital One, this one's due, I believe, in September. We're trying to save up to $95. This one's going to get $9 today. So a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to have 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So we have $69 for our Capital One annual fee. And then we have our American Express annual fee. That's due in December. I know that one. This one's also going to get $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, $55. So we're about halfway to our goal. The next one we have is our LastPass subscription. So this is like a password software saver, whatever, password vault. Just kind of keeps your passwords and logins secure. And we have the family subscription. So this is $6 a month. We're saving up for $51. So we are saving our first $6. Then I believe that's all we're saving for here. Actually, this goes in here. I'm sorry. I thought I had saved some because we started this one a couple of months ago. So we actually have $16. Yep. This belongs here. Actually, I hadn't made an envelope for it, and so I went ahead and did that now. So now I have this for what I really wanted to use it for. But that's going to be it for our high priority sinking funds. Now we're going to go over to low priority. And that is going to start with, I believe we're starting with car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting $50 today, and we don't have anything in there because we depleted everything that we have. And I believe I got 5 10s, so we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 that we're starting with. The next one's going to get printer ink, and that one we're just kind of saving up for $130, so that's 20. And I have 20 in there now, so we're just going to add another 20. Now we have 40. The next one is getting skipped. The next one is getting skipped. Our household envelope's getting skipped. Next one, we're skipping birthdays as well. Clothing, we're skipping that one. Candles, we're skipping that one. So the next one is our pet vet visits, and that's going to get $30 today. That's a 20, a 5 and 5 ones. I just tried to get some change. A 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 5, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $78 for vet visits. The next one is pet meds. Pet meds is getting $45, and we don't have anything in there right now, so we're gonna save a 20, 2 10s, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have anything in there right now. And the last one is grooming, and we are depositing $10 in here. We don't have anything in there, so we're just depositing $10. And pet accessories, this is just for sweaters, toys, anything that we need, beds, blankets. We're just going to deposit $10, and that's the last of our sinking funds, guys. So these envelopes I got from, had these made with the tracker on the back, but I don't really use it. What's her channel? I'll link it below. Oh my god, her name is escaping me right now. But I really liked them when I saw it. So it's got the double font. It's supposed to be kind of like rose gold. And then black envelopes. And they're made super well. Very sturdy. They're great. I love them. So I got them just for my pet categories. Because I was going to put them in a binder by themselves. But they were just a couple. So I just went ahead and put them all together here with these. So that's it for our low priority sinking funds, and that's going to be the end of our video today. But I am going to do another video with some Happy Mail that I got for some savings challenges that I kind of want to start for a couple of things that I want to do. So I want to incorporate some of those sinking funds into those savings challenges to help me save a little faster. So I'm going to have another video opening that mail and sharing what I got with you guys. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to also do my June paycheck number 2 budget with me. So that's going to be after this video. So stay tuned. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.